ข่ไก่ค่ะฝนตกค่ะ
Flexing that collective muscle. Almost everybody's in that ball. We'll go back for the penalty.
เอาน้องหมาเปียกอยู่ใส่เสื้อกันฝนให้น้องหมาแต่ก็ยังเปียกอยู่ดี ฝนตก
Bellini, strike by Kinghorn. His line is offside. Onside, 22. Is then Italy can go to the touchline and take the line out. Manda with a piercing carry. And Steen. Varney, Canoni. Italy have worked so hard for this. They've grafted all day for this. We've had the upper hand for so much of this Autumn Nations Cup showdown.
Which shop?
Gonna stay here?
Which shop?
Just the ones just here. Get a paper, newspaper and some wine.
ไปด้วยไม่ตู้
You come? Well, I've
Yes.
got to finish it.
โอเคมันจะไปซื้อไว้อาจจะไปซื้อไว้กับไปซื้อหนังสือพิมพ์จ้าเดี๋ยวจะแลนน้ำกล โอเค tonight steak มื้อแลงไอ้จะกินสเต็กจ้าไอ้สิออกไปข้างนอกไปซื้อหนังสือพิมพ์แต่ว่าดื่มช้าแล้วก่อนนะจ้าเดี๋ยวเขาจิบไปฝนตกจ้ามื้อนี้เดี๋ยวก็ตกเดี๋ยวก็หยุดไปนี่ล่ะบรรยากาศดีจ้าฝนตกจิบชากาแฟไปจ้าทุกคนให้บรรยากาศรอบๆนะข้างนอกฝนตกจ้าพระเจ้าพากันมาแต่ยางเมื่อกี้นี่ย่างเปียกฝนไปนั่นล่ะจ้าแต่เพิ่นใส่เสื้อกันฝนนะจ้าให้เบิ่งกีฬากินเบิดละเดี๋ยวคลิปนี้ซั่นนี้ก่อนแล้วจ้าออกไปซื้อหนังสือพิมพ์ก่อนบ๊ายบาย
Stuart Hall dispatches the ball into the Artemio Franchi stands. It's 5 wins from 5 from Scotland. They had their metal tested. They had their bottle tested.
It's very often, in fact, that's only the second time this century. What can they do in this Autumn Nations Cup? It's certainly been a great start for them out in Florence. Here, meanwhile, at Twickenham, well, we're waiting for the first Quilter International of the season. England up against Georgia. Kickoff is at 3 o'clock, and there's innovation all around because today, for the very first time, we're going to be using postcaps. 8 cameras set up at both ends of the pitch. That's the view you'll get. You just saw Jack Willis there. He just ran through the shots, getting his debut today. A much called for debut for England, the outstanding jackler of the Premiership this season. And of course, Autumn Nations Cup highlights. Tonight, 8 o'clock, and tomorrow, 8 o'clock as well on Prime Video, where we round up all of the weekend's matches for you. But let's, first of all, just take in what we saw from Florence, because Scotland were up against it in the first half.